What is up, RC enthusiasts? Today we're going to check out this little 16 scale drift car. Check this out. Looks like it's got a gyro built into it as well. And the headlights on this thing, oh man, they look nice. You check it out right here. This is the other model right here that they have. It's not the one I received. The one I received is actually the first picture you saw. And here's some specs right here. 4-wheel drive, ready to run, headlights, LiPo battery. It actually does not have a LiPo in there. It came with a lithium ion. Gyro, yes, it does have a gyro. It's an ESC receiver combo in that thing. It says all-terrain, which is kind of true. Looks more like you could rally it a little bit and then slap on the drift tires and go drifting. That's what the chassis looks like underneath. So it's got a brushed motor in there. We're going to see more detail into that later on. So out the box, you're going to get the car, 4 sets of drift tires. The rubber tire is already on there. They're pretty good rubber too, so they should grip pretty well. There's no foams in them, but that's alright. For a little RC car, that should be fine. Here's the transmitter it comes with. Now this is a pinecone model. Right here's what it says. The SG1604. That's what this model is right here. You can see right here the 2 different versions on this instruction sheet right here. Now here, the special thing about this controller is you're going to have your gyro sensitivity switch right here, this ESP button right here. This is to turn up your gyro or turn it off completely if you don't want the gyro to be on at all. So that's how to change that. And you got steering trim and steering dual rate. Pretty simple. You have your 3-position switch, 4th channel switch right here. This is going to be for changing your lights. And this is going to be for turning your lights on and off right here for your 3rd channel. I'll show you how those look like. You get your on and off switch right on top right here, and your steering. Now this thing is full proportional, ready to go out the box. Just need your 4 AA's for the transmitter. Here's the charger it comes with as well. Nice balanced charger. It's just a USB charger, but it's a little better than the other ones I see provided, so this one shouldn't be too bad. And you do get 2 extra steering links right there, screwdriver, and your hex wrench for your wheels. So let's go ahead and let's get under this body. And right here on the body, it's all XN, but you have a plastic piece, molded plastic piece up front right here, which is got your headlights right here with your angel eyes or your demon eyes, which however you want to call it, because they are red. And this body does resemble something that you guys should all know by now what this thing looks like. And there's your light buckets inside. And that just connects to your ESC receiver combo right there. And here's the car. It's 4-wheel drive, metal drive shaft in the center. The diffs, they do have nylon gears in there, plastic gears, ring and pinion. But it should be fine for a little drift car this size. Should be alright. And right here you have a little 5-wire servo right here, so that's not a hobby grade style servo. Not a fan of those, but they're everywhere now. Up here, you have your 1200 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt, 2-cell lithium ion powering this thing that comes with it. And here's your 2-in-1 ESC receiver combo. It's even got a taillight and headlight switch right there. The headlight one's the only one being used for this, and I'm assuming the other model right here has the taillight one because I've seen videos on it and it's got one single little taillight on the bumper, kind of like how this diffuser right here, right in the middle of that one has a little red light. This one doesn't though. That's fine. And your drift tires, they're nice. Nice tires and wheels, combo, gets you drifting right out the box. Alright, here you go. When you first turn it on, that thing actually flashes a lot faster than that. And when you see that happening, you just need to set it down so that the gyro can calibrate, and once it does that, it'll blink slower like this. And that just means it's waiting for you to turn on your transmitter, which you should have had on by now. But I still need to put batteries in mine. When I turn on the transmitter, you can see right there, it went solid into the red light mode. That's because I have this all the way far to the right. Now if you turn this fourth channel all the way to the left, you have both lights on. In the center, it's just your headlights. So you can tell right there. So you have settings. And your third channel, the red button down there, you hit that, and that just turns off your lights completely. So there you go for that pretty awesome little light kit they provide right there. Makes it look really mean. Now let's take this thing out for a run because it says it can drift and handle some dirt. Well, you can tell it can handle some gravel and stuff right here. Trying to get into some smoother stuff for you guys. Oh, I thought this was gravel. This is actually concrete again. Man, what a bummer. Now that's ESP, or the gyro off. Let's turn it up to halfway. And it only works while you're throttling, so you have to be throttling for the gyro to work on this one. Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot more stable. Alright, now we got the drift tires on. Let's get this thing drifting. And look, with the drift tires on, you could actually see the nice faux disc brake in the back, front and back right there. They got faux disc brakes attached to the hexes. Looks pretty cool. Let's get this thing drifting. Let's see how control of a drift we get with this thing. Turn the steering dual rate up. Not too shabby. I don't exactly have the smoothest road for drifting here, but to show you that it can stay sideways. Look at that. Oh, big bump. The gyro is helping out a lot. One-handed is not easy. So it's driftable. Drift wheels on the dirt. Drifting on the dirt. It's pretty fun, guys. If I had two hands to play with it right now, it'd be even more fun. Dirt drift! Sorry for my poor throttle control. I'm just gunning it and drifting. Oh, I hit a rock. I'm gonna try to go around my tire. Oh, I hit a rock again and again. Go through the front tire. All right, there you go. Woo! Well, there you go, guys. Sweet little basher right here. Drift, hit some rally, do a lot of bashing. Really, really fun little car right here. As you can see, the lights are still on. Oh, they look really great, don't they? So I highly recommend it. You saw the kind of trashing I did with this thing. I didn't break anything at all. I was full throttling everywhere. Gyro works well. Lights are nice. Transmitter is pretty nice too. It's pretty light, but hey, it's got a lot of functions and it feels good in the hand. Alright guys, if you guys are interested in this thing, this is the SG1604. They got the 1603. They're both the same, just different bodies, and one has taillights. but they're great little cars, guys. Check them out, link below. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you guys appreciate the review of this guy right here. And as always, go out there, be safe, have fun, and run that RC.